In this video, I'm going to be showing you my own personal thoughts and opinions about BIIB. This is the previous prediction before I get into the new one and the proof of that. Last one, disclaimer, nothing on the channel constitutes professional and or financial advice. This is all just my own opinion and perspective. Everything that I say in my videos is just my own opinion, right? I'm never going to tell you what to do with your money. Now let's get into the high time frames. Actually, let's go weekly because this is where I actually made a video. So I was like, might expect some bearish move, but overall kind of bullish, right? And we didn't have those bearish moves. Just straight up continued bullish. This was this video. Now I'm gonna leave it to you guys to just go ahead and like watch for yourself. Because I'm gonna try to keep this video as short as possible. I'm gonna give you the link of the video and everything. So don't worry about it. This is for the people who are skeptical, right? It's on my YouTube channel still. This is the link. Go ahead and check it out for yourself. Now back into the chart. What is my new prediction? Just trying to be as fast as possible with this. Broke bullish. And weekly chart, monthly is beautiful. Now daily, yeah, I might just well do daily and outlooks. So we have this demand area, either from here. Yeah, we tapped into it, looked for the highs. Just expecting these highs to be clear like this or something like this. Perhaps we can even break down. We don't care. That's about it for this prediction. Let me know what are your thoughts. Have a wonderful